here is how you can find daily data usage on the iPhone. Let me show you the options that we have. If this is your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more videos and tips like this one. Anyways, you can get inside of your main settings app and find the cellular section, which is going to give you some information, but it's not very useful if you want to track the daily usage, because you can see like the time and the amount of gigabytes I spent or browsed on the cellular data, but I don't see within which time period, or there is like one time period since, for example, for me it's since the 3rd of February, so it's like a random thing, random time window, and I can reset it and perhaps like reset it every day, but as you can see, it's not very useful. The best way to do it in my case is use a third-party app for that particular purpose. More of the apps are available, but I think the best one is called My Data Manager. You can get it for free from the App Store, and you can set up like a limit or monthly plan for your mobile data usage, and it's going to show you how much you have used up so far, and it might even remind you that you are getting close to the limit. So it's actually very useful if you ask me. Like, you have so many different things which you are able to do with that, and even track the data usage on Wi-Fi and the roaming situation separately. So yeah, you can get it and definitely give it a try, because built-in method for tracking daily data limits and data usage is not really good. I would say it doesn't even exist. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot, hit the thumbs up, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.